These kitchen gadgets look weird, but they actually work. These 37 Amazon finds are surprisingly worth buying, and gadget number 5 is just crazy. Make perfect breakfast every time with this 4-pack silicone egg ring set. These non-stick, easy-to-use molds help you cook round eggs, pancakes, and breakfast sandwiches, perfectly shaped to fit McMuffin-style biscuits. Start your morning the smart way with the classic Retro 3-in-1 breakfast station. This versatile cooking station includes an egg and veggie steamer, a non-stick griddle for bacon or pancakes, and a wide 2-slot toaster with toasting control. Compact and stylish, it lets you prepare a complete breakfast quickly and conveniently, all in one place. Serve in style with this 3-tier home bar serving cart. On smooth rolling wheels, it's perfect for drinks, snacks, or kitchen essentials. Sleek chrome design makes it ideal for your kitchen, dining room, living room, or parties, functional and stylish in one. Peel, core, and slice fruits effortlessly with the upgraded apple peeler and corer. This manual rotating gadget works on apples, pears, and citrus, and comes with 2 replacement heads and a splitter for easy, precise prep. Meet the Sturmax Midnight Blue 7.5-quart digital multi-cooker, your all-in-one kitchen powerhouse. With an automatic stirring paddle and 9 smart presets, it sautés, sears, and simmers perfectly without constant attention. Effortless cooking, delicious results every time. Cook eggs perfectly every time with the 6-in-1 electric egg cooker. It easily makes soft or hard-boiled eggs, onsen tamago, tea eggs, custard, and even yogurt. Designed with BPA-free stainless steel and automatic shutoff for safe cooking, this compact cooker is perfect for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or quick keto-friendly meals. Make delicious pizzas anywhere with the Flame King Tanner 12-inch portable propane pizza oven. Designed for camping, backyard, and tailgating, it features multiple air vents, piezo auto ignition, and a non-stick pizza stone for perfectly crispy pizzas every time. Enjoy fresh, nutrient-rich juice with the Ninja Neverclog Cold Press Juicer JC151. This powerful slow juicer features total pulp control with 2 pulp settings, so you get your perfect texture every time. Designed to never clog, it's easy to use, easy to clean, and dishwasher safe, perfect for everyday healthy living. Cook healthy, flavorful meals with the Cuisinart Cook Fresh Digital Glass Food Steamer. This 5-liter steamer features 5 pre-programmed settings for vegetables, seafood, and more, plus a convenient keep warm function and audible alerts. The dishwasher-safe glass pot makes cleanup easy, making it a smart, modern addition to any kitchen. Easily bake fresh bread at home with the 5.2 Cutie electric dough maker. Featuring a ferment function, weighting system, and intuitive face-up touch panel, it ensures perfect dough every time. Made with durable 304 stainless steel, this dough maker is ideal for bread, pizza, and pastry enthusiasts. Make food prep fun and easy with this elephant drainage vegetable washing basket. Perfect for rinsing fruits, vegetables, pasta, and noodles, it features a clever elephant-shaped spout for quick draining. Compact, lightweight, and stylish in green, it's a cute and practical addition to any kitchen. Create delicious egg bites, muffins, and snacks with Gawkins silicone egg bite molds. This 2-pack set features 14 cups, heat-resistant, flexible silicone for easy release, and secure lids for convenient storage. Perfect for baking, freezing, and meal prep, your versatile kitchen essential for quick, homemade treats. Enjoy pizzeria-quality pizza at home with the Piazzano XL 14-inch electric indoor pizza oven. Heating up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit, it cooks delicious, crispy stone-baked pizzas in under 6 minutes. The dual heat control lets you customize top and bottom cooking for perfect results every time. Designed for countertops and complete with peels and a scraper, it's everything you need for fast, authentic pizza nights. Keep your eggs fresh and organized with the Sott Family Clear Egg Holder. Featuring an auto-rolling FIFO design, it dispenses eggs smoothly while saving space in your fridge or countertop. Holds up to 18 eggs, keeps everything neat, and makes kitchen storage smarter and easier. Maximize your storage with this 8-tier over-the-door pantry organizer. Featuring a 2-in-1 design for wall mount or hanging use, adjustable baskets, and sturdy construction, it keeps spices, snacks, and essentials neatly organized, perfect for kitchen cabinets, doors, or closets. Make produce cleaning faster and easier with the EKZ Sonic Fruit Vegetable Cleaning Brush. Delivering up to 8,000 vibrations per minute, it efficiently removes dirt with food-grade bristles that are safe for your fruits and veggies. USB-C rechargeable, waterproof, and featuring 3 cleaning modes, it's a smart upgrade for every kitchen. Blend your favorite drinks in seconds with the NutriBullet Personal Blender. Powered by a 600-watt motor, it effortlessly creates smoothies, shakes, and frozen blends in the 24-ounce cup. Compact, powerful, and easy to use, it's perfect for quick meals and healthy prep at home. Enjoy refreshing frozen treats at home with this snow cone machine. Powered by a 300W motor with 2000 R/min speed, it quickly crushes ice using sharp stainless steel blades for smooth shaved ice. Perfect for making snow cones, slushies, and icy desserts in seconds. It also includes a free ice pick and ice cube tray, making it a convenient and fun addition to any kitchen. Enjoy delicious homemade hot pot with the Dezen Electric Shabu Shabu Pot. Featuring a spacious 4-liter removable nonstick pot, it makes cooking and cleaning effortless. The dual power control lets you adjust heat for perfect simmering, while the tempered glass lid helps lock in flavor. Ideal for parties, family dinners, and friendly gatherings, it brings warmth and convenience to every meal. Preserve foods safely and easily with the Presto 23-quart digital pressure canner. Its precise digital controls automate the canning process for consistent results. Perfect for canning vegetables, meats, and more with reliable performance and large capacity. Cook healthier with the Kitchen Academy 10-piece ceramic cookware set. These non-stick, induction-ready pots and pans feature a non-toxic ceramic coating that's free from PFAS, PTFE, PFOA, and PFOS. Durable, stylish, and easy to clean, perfect for everyday cooking. Serve in style with this extra-large glass salad bowl set. Featuring a durable glass bowl, acacia wood base, and matching serving utensils, it's perfect for parties and family meals. Elegant, spacious, and practical, an ideal centerpiece for any kitchen or dining table. Keep your spices neat and accessible with this multifunctional kitchen spice rack. Featuring a double-layer, 4-grid design with included spoons, it organizes your condiments perfectly on cabinets, walls, or countertops. Punch-free installation and sleek gray finish make it a stylish and practical addition to any kitchen. Keep your kitchen sink organized with the smiley face sponge holder. This stainless steel over-faucet caddy holds sponges neatly while the quick-dry stone mat keeps them clean and dry. Stylish, practical, and easy to install, perfect for a clutter-free kitchen. Add vintage charm to your kitchen with the Elite Gourmet Americana 50s Retro Toaster Oven. This mint-colored countertop oven bakes and toasts with 1,000 watts of power, fits an 8-inch pizza, and features adjustable temperature control with a 60-minute timer, perfect for quick, everyday meals in style. Keep your pantry fresh and organized with this rice airtight storage container. Designed to hold 3 to 5 pounds of rice, cereal, or dry foods, it features an airtight seal to lock in freshness and a built-in measuring cup for easy pouring. Made from BPA-free clear plastic, it's perfect for storing sugar, flour, or even pet food with convenience and style. Serve snacks in style with this chip and dip serving set. Made from durable melamine, the divided tray keeps chips, dips, and appetizers organized and easy to access. Perfect for parties, game nights, or casual gatherings, it's both practical and elegant for any occasion. Wash, drain, and store fresh fruits with ease using this upgraded fruit washing bowl with strainer. Made from BPA-free materials, it features a built-in drain basket, lid with ice compartment, and a foldable handle for easy carrying. Perfect for berries, fridge storage, picnics, and outdoor trips. Make meal prep fast and easy with the Bare Food Processor. Powered by a 400W motor, it quickly chops meat, vegetables, and baby food with 2 stainless steel blade sets. The 8-cup and 2.5-cup glass bowls and 2-speed control give you perfect results for both small and large batches. Keep your food, drinks, and skincare cool, or warm, anywhere with the Cookware Mini Fridge. This portable 4L/6 fridge is perfect for bedroom, dorm, office, or car use, with 12 VAC DC power and an exclusive USB option. Compact, versatile, and ideal for drinks, snacks, or beauty products on the go. Maximize tight spaces with the SpaceLead Slim 4-tier storage cart. This rolling organizer easily slides into narrow areas in your bathroom, kitchen, office, or laundry room. With smooth wheels and spacious shelves, it keeps essentials organized, accessible, and neatly stored wherever you need extra storage. Meet the Pato Ozone 310 Vacuum Blender. Blend smoother, richer, nutrient-packed drinks that stay fresh longer without separating. With powerful vacuum technology and an extra storage container, it's perfect for healthy, hassle-free blending every day. Keep your favorite seasonings organized with this 3-grid seasoning box with tray. Designed for salt, pepper, sugar, and spices, it features individual compartments with spoons for easy serving. The hanging wall design or countertop placement offers flexible storage, while the fresh green finish adds a stylish touch to your kitchen decor. Make fun, mess-free sandwiches in seconds with the Uncrustable Sandwich Maker. This 3.7-inch circle cutter and sealer easily creates perfect sandwich pockets for kids' breakfasts and lunchboxes. Just fill, press, and seal for delicious homemade snacks. Its compact light blue design is easy to use, easy to clean, and perfect for busy mornings. Grill delicious kebabs easily with this air fryer skewer rack. Made from durable 304 stainless steel, it holds 15 skewers and fits Instant Pot 8 QT air fryers. Perfect for evenly cooking chicken, meat, and barbecue right in your kitchen. Upgrade your kitchen with this 4-piece non-toxic cutting board set. Made from BPA-free plastic and rubber, it includes premium scissors and an organizer to keep everything in place. Dishwasher safe and durable, it's perfect for all your chopping, slicing, and meal prep needs. Cook with confidence using this 8-quart 3-ply stainless steel stock pot. Made with durable 1810 whole-clad stainless steel, it delivers even heat for perfect soups, pasta, and stews. Induction-ready, oven-safe, and dishwasher-safe, built for every modern kitchen. Enjoy your favorite tea in style with the Mora Ceramics large tea mug. This 18-ounce mug includes a loose-leaf infuser and ceramic lid for easy brewing. Crafted with a rustic matte glaze, it's microwave and dishwasher safe, making it perfect for cozy mornings at home or tea breaks on the go. Enjoy perfect tea time with the Belanco 2.5L whistling tea kettle. Made from food-grade stainless steel, it features a loud whistle to alert you when water boils and a stylish wood pattern folding handle for safe, easy pouring. Elegant, durable, and perfect for tea, coffee, or milk. Experience authentic flavor with the Karaca Hatter Turkish coffee maker. Brewing up to 5 cups at once, it features automatic temperature control, overflow protection, and ember mode to keep coffee warm. With audible and visual alerts in a sleek, shiny black design, it delivers tradition with modern convenience. Meet the KATCHENDO glass sugar dispenser, a stylish and practical upgrade for your kitchen. Made from durable borosilicate glass, it features a side pour spout for smooth, mess-free pouring and a built-in lid that helps slow down moisture. With easy-to-read measuring marks and a BPA-free design, keep your kitchen organized with this 2-tier large fruit basket featuring 2 mobile banana hangers for added convenience. The detachable metal design with a sturdy wooden handle makes it easy to move and clean. Perfect for storing fruit, bread, snacks, and vegetables, it also includes protective mats to keep your produce fresh and your countertop scratch-free. Organize your kitchen effortlessly with the JQ 4-tier rotating vegetable storage rack. Made from solid carbon steel, this no-assembly cart features smooth rolling wheels and spacious baskets for potatoes, onions, and fresh produce. Its sleek black design adds modern style while keeping everything within easy reach. Keep your food fresh longer with the HWLDN Storage Vacuum Food Storage Container Set. This 6-piece BPA-free glass set includes a manual pump that removes air to lock in freshness. The leak-proof design is perfect for meal prep, marinating, and storing leftovers while keeping flavors and nutrients sealed in. Prepare healthy, fresh meals for your little one with the Bear Baby Food Maker. This all-in-one set includes a baby food processor, storage containers, silicone spoons, and a puree blender for fruits, vegetables, and meats. Make nutritious, homemade baby food quickly and safely every day. Cook more at once with this double-layer steamer basket. Made from durable stainless steel, its expandable design, 5.4 to 11 inches, fits most pots and instant pots. The 2-in-1 large capacity lets you steam vegetables, seafood, dumplings, or baby food quickly and evenly. Start your day effortlessly with the Green Life 3-in-1 breakfast maker station. Featuring healthy ceramic non-stick dual griddles, it cooks eggs, meat, sausage, bacon, pancakes, and breakfast sandwiches all at once. The 2-slice toast drawer and easy-to-use timer make breakfast prep simple and fast, helping you enjoy a delicious, complete meal in one convenient station. Bring leftover pizza back to life with the Pizza Pack Pizza Plate. This microwave and oven-safe metal tray helps reheat pizza with a crispy crust, while the silicone edge ensures safe handling. It's reusable, dishwasher-safe, and perfect for quick, delicious reheating. Elevate your drinks and dishes with the Cocktail Smoker Kit Burner Pro Extended 12-piece set. This kit includes smoke infuser, accessories, and wood chips to add rich, aromatic cold smoke to cocktails, whiskey, or food. Perfect as a gift for men or anyone who loves gourmet flavors at home. Create fresh, healthy yogurt at home with the ultimate probiotic yogurt maker. Featuring adjustable time and temperature controls, it helps produce trillions of live probiotics for maximum health benefits. The 2 1-quart containers allow you to make larger batches, including thick Greek yogurt. Easy to use and built to last with an ultimate lifetime warranty. Whip up eggs and batters effortlessly with the OXO Good Grips Egg Beater. Its smooth-turning gears and comfortable non-slip handle give you fast, consistent mixing. No electricity needed, just perfect results every time. Make meal prep effortless with the Ashada electric pea sheller machine. This automatic, rechargeable peeler quickly and efficiently shells peas, beans, and legumes, saving time in home or restaurant kitchens. Compact, easy to use, and perfect for fresh, hassle-free cooking.